What's up, Scrumps?
Today we're going to be reviewing the X-Shot XL Crusher.
Made by Zuru.
Yes, it is not a Nerf, but a X-Shot minigun type firearm. It is fairly light for its size. I'd say around 1.5 feet. That it is. It has spinning barrel, but it's not an automatic gun, which is a bummer to most people.
It was a bummer to us to find out that it wasn't automatic, but we did love the fact that this spins. I don't know why. We just found it amazing. It does not take batteries, that's why it cannot be full auto, but it saves you the lightness. This can be kind of loud if you just spin it with your hand. But because this is not fully auto, it does not take batteries, which then you don't have to worry about the extra price of batteries. It is about $25. You can get it at Walmart, Target, Amazon, probably most online shopping sites that you can buy it at. It comes with 48 darts and a belt that can hold 35 darts. And so you would put the thing in there. I'm going to let Lucas take care of that because he's better at it.
So to load it, what you simply want to do is take one side of the belt and just one little side of the belt and place it right where these little dippings are, whatever you want to call them, like little cranks, and then just slowly. It may take a while. It's kind of hard to do, but like just. Alright, now it's fully locked in. To make it a little easier, there's a two-side of a belt. You can flip this around and attach the end side on to this side. And it's sort of complicated, but there's little slits in here. You just attach them on, click them in. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. It has very good power to it. It shoots extremely fast, not fast, but really far.
If you know how to use it, you can shoot it extremely fast. What you can do is you can just hold the trigger and then pull this thing, and then it'll just basically almost automatic as you just pull it back. So if you watch, he's not going to move his finger, and he's just going to pull that thing and just rapid fire it. So it's fairly loud, not good for stealth, but good for practicality. It shoots very far. He has a fairly long driveway. We don't know the exact numbers. Lucas probably has an about, how long?
I'd say around a 50, 60 foot driveway.
50, 60, yeah, that sounds about right. And then it went across the yard. We'll get more exact measurements. I'll bring a tape measure over, and we'll take more exact measurements, and yeah.
Features to it. It comes with 1, 2, 3, and kind of like a little rail to it, so you can attach.
This is the only useful rail. See, if you come over here, this will mainly just be in your way, or it won't be able to get over this thing. Here, you most likely won't be able to get it to latch on. This is just more of a decoration thing.
Also, you wouldn't be able to
pull this back. Because 1, this thing, and then 2, this thing here blocks this, so there is no lock. So it's really just one rail on the bottom.
It costs $25. I'd say I'd give it a medium, because there can definitely be improvements, but I'm not complaining. It's good for a non-battery toy.
It's for its price. I would say that it could probably go slightly higher on the price and still be worth it, like maybe $30, $35. I'd give it a solid 7, 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd say it's about that number. For that review, it's gonna wrap it up for today, and we'll see you, Scrumps.
See ya.